Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 6, 2016. It is an ugly day to start out the session. You're going to see that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading lower by 35.5 points to 1976.25 per contract. Futures are actually even a little bit lower about 30 minutes ago, but you can see they have gotten a little bit of an uptick. But either way you slice it, dice it, or cut it, these markets are falling sharply this morning. So again, that makes for another volatile trading session. And anytime we get volatility, we get trading action in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to come over, trade with us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see what it's all about. We had a great, and I mean a great 2015, and we're looking to have a great 2016. All right, let's get into some stocks here. A lot of stocks in the news. We just had the ADP job report. We had the Shanghai composite bounce last night, and now we're looking at stocks today. We're going to start off with Apple because that pretty much is the biggest name out here. You can see the stock yesterday closed at 102.71. Today it's trading at $100.25. This stock is in a downtrend on every time frame, so you got to be very, very careful with Apple. But there is a fair amount of support down here. When you look at a bigger time frame chart, you go back towards those August lows, there's a lot of support coming up, but it's only temporary support when you have a downtrend like this on all time frames. So again, we'll see how Apple plays out. Right now the stock is trading right around the $100 level, but either way you slice it or dice it, it's a weak equity. We will be looking to trade Apple today in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over. You'll see everything that we're doing. Next up, we're going to talk about Monsanto. They play I believe they had earnings today. Stock right now is trading at $96, closed at $97.28. The only level I'm seeing right now that shows some decent support would be around $94 or $93.80. So again, don't look to do too much here. Around 94, that's where you could look for some better chart support. Let's take a look now at PXD, which is Pioneer, and what you're going to see here, Pioneer Natural Resources trading down at 115.25, closed at 125.17. This is a stock that has been under tremendous pressure, and I do mean tremendous pressure. There's going to be a little bit of support around 111, and then after that, it's really down to the $100 level. So be very, very careful with Pioneer here at this stage. Let's take a look at T-Mobile. They reported some positive subscriber growth. Stock trading at 40.22. No activity yet from where it closed yesterday. But what I will say this, the chart is in an uptrend. It's holding up pretty well, but it does look like it's coming into big resistance around the 41 level. So be a little bit careful with T-Mobile. Let's take a look at AutoNation, ticker symbol AN. The stock is trading at 53.5. Not a whole lot of volume there, but it looks like it has traded 10,000 shares in the pre-market. The only level that gets me interested in AutoNation right now would be around $47. You could also look for the $50 level if you're aggressive, but a better, safer level looks to be around $47 for a bounce. If you want to try the $50 level, that could be a play. But remember, AutoNation is a light volume stock. Very, very often it doesn't even trade 500,000 shares a day. So again, that's a stock that can overshoot levels sometimes. But right now, $50 and then $47 are your support levels for AutoNation. Let's take a look at BHP Billiton. I did see earlier the stock caught a little bit of a bid. It is lower now. Stock right now is trading at $23.53, closed at $25.27. So BHP coming under some pressure. Anytime this stock falls, you always look for its counterpart, Rio Tinto, to come under pressure, and that is the case as well. These metal and mining stocks have been under severe pressure for quite a while, and I think that is going to remain the case. All right, let's take a look at SONC, which is Sonic, world's largest drive-through restaurant. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at $29.60. I think they came out with numbers today, but again, market is not reacting favorably. Look for the support on this one to be around $28.50. Next one up is Panera Bread. I don't think this is moving just yet. Stock closed at $188.84. That's where it's trading right now, so no pre-market activity. But they did announce that they have cut out a lot of their artificial flavors and things of that nature, so they're moving more towards the realm of Chipotle Grill. But either way, keep that one on the radar once the opening bell rings. Speaking of Chipotle Grill, let's take a look at this one. Stock right now is trading at $4.39. Did trade briefly below 415. So again, we'll watch this one at the opening bell, but Chipotle is now starting to look interesting. It is on my radar, and traders should know that I do have levels for this stock. So once we do get there, I will be looking to play Chipotle Grill on a swing basis in the research center. All right, with that being said, everyone, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.